Okay, I started making a vlog last week or this week, but I think we're just gonna make one big Pitbike Nationals vlog. I think it deserves its own vlog. So we'll start fresh. We're here Friday before Pitbike Nationals. It's happening tomorrow. We've been working all week, getting the track ready. Well, Benny's been working hard all week. We've been helping out as much as we can, but he's been doing all the tractor work. He's got the track looking pristine, building just a massive berm over there right now. But track's sick. We've got a new sand section up top. A couple new things every once in a while. And yeah, so everyone's coming out tomorrow. We're getting her done today, final touches. A couple people are coming out today, helping us out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe vlog a couple things today for you guys, but other than that, it'll all just be tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned. She's gonna be a riot. Morning of Pitbike Nationals here, boys. Course is ready to go. Look at that. Look at that course. Look at, we got Ben up here. Scout with lines. Scout with lines. He thinks he's getting an advantage on us.
Barely even see him. He blends right
I know. He looks like a freaking Sasquatch up there, walking the track.
Yo, Ben really wants to win today.
He's coming for the dove. He's coming for this guy right here, the Mexican.
He wants
the
it.
three-time
He's been
champ.
talking shit all week. Winning it, me and my brother caught him real fast.
What are you gonna do differently this year, Ben?
Just gonna hold it wide open.
Hey, he's going for my front.
Robert's doing sign-in.
Like that we might have.
People are showing up. Hitters are showing up. Oh, that's a bad man right there. Track walk going on here. Pitter Nationals, baby. We're getting her going here. We're getting her going. Everyone's showing up. Practice starts soon. It's about to get hairy. Holy fuck, boys.
Holy fuck.
Pitbike Nationals, baby.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Ooh.
Smokes. Let's go. Let's go.
Holy smokes, baby. Our fearless leader. Track's good. Track's good, man. Track's good. Everyone's bitching about 2 laps practice, man.
Well, they can suck it, man.
I know. I agree. No, we don't. No. 2 laps.
At least 3 laps of
No,
practice.
2 laps.
Dude, this is the hairiest track
2
I've
laps.
ever in my life.
No, 2 laps.
3 laps it is. Of course.
2 laps.
2 laps.
Match.
Nope. 2 laps. You're soft.
No. Aerodynamics.
So yeah, we just finished up the first practice, and now the second practice is going up, and then the heat race to start. So here we go. There's 25 riders, 20 of us. Big class, big class. Here we go. Just went out in heat 1. Got the win in heat 1. We're about to go for heat 2 here. Here we go, baby. Oh! Oh, baby. Heat 2 going at it. Oh! Oh! Nice! We got 110A out there now for practice. Cammy out there shredding. Whoa, buddy, whoa! Watch yourself, watch yourself. Oh! 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 T-Wizzy! Oh, last minute! This is 110 Pro Heat 1. Oh no, Mitch out front. That's probably for the better.
Get away from people.
Cheater bike. Cheater bike out front. We got the 125B heat race right here. 125B, baby. Here we go.
Be made. 2023 Pit Nationals. Here we go.
This is the main event?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Well, heat race, I think.
I was gonna say. Keep it loose, he says. Keep it loose. Oh! Oh! Heavy hit! Heavy hit! He's out! Oh, his foot's stuck! Oh, fuck. Heavy hit! Heavy hit, buddy! Oh! What happened? Are we good? Heavy hit, man! Heavy hit! Holy fuck! Not a good way to start off your day, buddy.
Oh, not a good day.
Not a good day. Heavy neutral. Look at the dirt here.
Heavy neutral.
Heavy neutral, man. Oh, what was that noise? Oh, we lost the chain. We lost the chain over here. Okay, we got the little kids coming up next. We got the little Groms. You gonna do it, Jack? You got more practice than anyone, buddy. You got this. You got this. Good luck. The RMZ. Hi, Emmy. Hi. Thanks. We got Bogle. We got Bogle here, ready to race, baby. Have you been out there yet? You haven't been out there yet? Oh! 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 He just laughed back at me. Boys. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Now we just come on, boys, get those things going. Oh, got fast for the lead here. Fast for the lead, baby. Fast for the lead. Oh! I don't know if I want to watch the battle or if I want to watch people hit these jumps. I think the Honda's got a little bit of pull up in the sand section. We'll see when they come back down. Oh! 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 Go for it, baby! Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it. Hit him! Hit him! Oh! Oh! Yeah, let's go! Oh! You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy. We got the LCQ. LCQ, I think only 2 guys make it from here, so it's gonna get hectic. Oh! 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 Heavily off course. Oh, Trev! Trev! Oh, we got a big crash up top! Huge crash in the sand section. Huge crash. Yeah. Leader's down, so we're gonna do leader. Come on, boys, get big game. Battle for the lead, baby. This is the LCQ. This is what it all comes down to. They don't get the top 2. They're not the main event. Oh! T-Wizzy, what are we doing in the LCQ, man? What happened? What happened?
Had some technical bike issues in the...
Couple bike issues. Come on, man. Get this thing going.
Good now.
Yeah, good. JR, buddy. What happened?
Stuff out there.
You look like you got tired.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Big time.
Oh, yeah. Okay, boys, get out there. Hit him! Battle for second place here. This is the last qualifier to the main event. Let's go, Team Izzy. Oh! Oh! Let's go! Garawaz up front. The boys are battling for second place. This is it, Team Izzy. This is it, man. Cowie on Cowie grind, baby. Let's go! Last lap. Let's get him taken. Let's get him taken. Oh, look at the battle we got for second here. Oh, second place is down. Team Izzy takes it.
Must have took him out up in the sand.
Must have.
Guys, we're doing a restart. We got all tangled up.
Oh, Jerry. Oh, Jerry's to lead. Jerry to lead, baby. Second lap on course.
Oh, Jerry.
Jerry shreds.
Shreds, man.
Oh, big hit. Oh, couple crashes. That's third. Third place. Third place. Third place. He doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know what to do with himself. So the guy that runs the alcohol store down the road, everyone knows him as Kenny. It's Kenny, Kenny. Everyone knows Kenny. He's fucking here. He's the 32nd boy. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Everyone... Yeah, Kenny! This is crazy. Everyone here buys beer and shit from this guy, and it is hilarious. Look at him. Yeah, Kenny! Oh! Oh, people don't understand how funny that is. Yeah, Kenny, good job, buddy, good job. Oh my God, we got vehicles all the way to the end of the road there. And then... Oh, that's a sick truck. Holy smokes, that's so sick. I think that's the end of it right there. Sorry, neighbors. I hope you like us, because this definitely isn't fun. We got the boy Marty Mav. We got the boy Marty Mav out here. Showed up late, but he's out there. He's making it work. Brought the dogs. Brought the dogs. Didn't need them. Go Marty! We got the 110 main. The 110 main, boys. We got this baby. 110 main event, and then us for the 125 main events afterwards. This will be a good race, boys, good race. Ready to go, Brian?
On the other side of the tree, baby. Here we go, here we go.
Inside of the tree. The 110 main's out right now, and then we're going out for the 125 main right now. This will be the last race of the day, baby.
What do you got to say for the vlog?
Always. Oh, baby. Like 2 seconds, and then I was just like, well, fuck. You
I was just out of control.
You were too out of control. I was scared behind you.
Hey, all you guys are out of control.
Yeah.
I'm a wide bike. I ride a wide bike.
Steeper. Hey, what's going on? Explain to us.
They just wanted to keep up the jump for some reason.
No tricks?
We got a little freestyle trick action going on right now. It's gonna get probably pretty hairy.
Right here. On a scale of 10, how was that?
Pussy. I mean, weak.
Okay, go. You're up. Okay, what are we doing now?
Okay, so they want to do whips. They'll do whip contest on here, tricks.
But you only
on this
get
jump.
2 tries.
Yeah, two laps.
Yeah.
Two laps each guy.
Yeah. And like we can't.
We'll get a guy here, we'll get a guy there, and then everything will be all right.
Okay, let's head up there then.
Okay, we're like let's do the awards quick.
Yeah, we're sure.
Because they like all the kids gotta go. Guess we're doing some awards.
Award ceremony.
The kids gotta go. That was a stellar performance that last jump.
Which one, the Ronnie?
Ron
Nose down.
Ron would be very proud.
That's the fast way, nose down.
Aerodynamic.
Yeah.
Squid.
First place, 2023 Pitbike Championship, Quinn Amiot.
Woo!
Up to the top.
Hey, okay, now you guys can go in.
Dude, who's got last? That was so cool. Easy.